Kasorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hakasi baarjong kata yau kala ay kejengkular bahkan yarap beitengkah hino syaka Giant Hills Autonomous District Council na kebentaban pendep ya ka yau musiang market complex kabala susateng lapalat kendai senam mentah hasor juwai West Giant Hills District.
Kani kejengkular kelami hino Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau Conrad Kongkal Sangma ubelai kendo iki MDC ke Giant Hills Autonomous District Council banyak iki kam jangka council kentup ikan gayau. Kayau musiang kada kayau kubela rembah hajawai bat kahap apa kejing kemi jang ke Giant Hills Autonomous District Council. Kejing tay thamai kini kayau kelas sedang nadu ubenai kela lengkot kesenam arajar kendai. Hadian kejing bodong rem do kupa jang Menteri Rang Ba upurno esangma bam kuai duar ublai. Ya kene projek lamang ha kejing lut kabakot kat pra point kendai kelur tengkah ya kabala bay pisa da ketenat Development of North Eastern Region Dona. Kat kum kijing te balayo katenat Dona keladap pelat yak installment ke beningkong kabakot nreu kelur tam syaka GHADC. Nrai namar kijing selam ban pelat yak pisa kelapun saat teng ya kam bat lapoi rusi uput ba am cemlala ban beteng namar kijing ki udor kimar kimata. La ban pengen mau bu Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau ulah yar jurep ru yak nekayau ha unai luar kesenam arjar kat pra. Baru ai kijing kular ban beteng biang ya kam. Nrai kene kijing kular kam semlapoi senoru. Habai keren bikilat patai kubor Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulah pentip bagi sorkar kelai kejengkular bahkan siarap pisah syaka GHADC bahkan tei pendep ya kayau musiang. Kat kum kejing ong juu kejing tei ya kayau musiang la menjur da ketenat Dona kat kum kanan lapsable central pool of resources. Nrai namar kejing penkelai ya kejing draw bak ke detailed project report kalami kejing keli na ketenat Dona. Uang bagi sorkar keladap ban pensyai kene bat cian kanselet ban bodin biang ya ke projek kenang bahkan lanjok pisah balamang syaka.
GHADC, Giant Hills Autonomous District Council, and the local MLA regarding the Yamusia, the shopping complex which is there, and which has been really an issue that has been troubling, here also in Juwai as well as the whole Giant Hills also. And as you're aware, this is a project that was cleared under NLCPR. But because of different situations, different laws that came in the state level, there was some confusion with the center, with donor ministry, and that's the reason why this project got stuck. We are still pursuing with Government of India to get the rest of the funds released from Delhi. But in the meantime, we have decided here today in Juwai, and as I said, this is the benefit, I guess, of having this cabinet on the move. All the chief engineer, of course, the Honorable Minister, our Chief Secretary, our Commissioner Secretary Finance, our PWD Building Department officials, we all were here along with the local MLA and the CEM of the District Council. And we have decided today that the government of Meghalaya will start the project work and will start funding this process. And in the meantime, we will also pursue with Government of India. But whatever necessary funds is required to start this process and to ensure that this is completed, we from our side, Government of Meghalaya, has decided in this meeting today that we will give the funds for the process to start. And in the meantime, we will discuss with Government of India and Donor Ministry to pursue the release of the next installment of the funds. So it is our decision to see that this project is completed. And as I said, Finance Department has agreed to give funds for the necessary purpose.
Komisi Bentaban Kentiau iki kam jengok kai perthairu Harilum Jantia. Kesorkar jelah pok kejingilam Konrad Kongkal Sangma kala syeme karai ban sepenlong ya ke Meghalaya Age Festival Harilum Jantia ha ubnai leber banwan. Kani kejing penmena kalami no Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau bela pentip bai kani ketamasa on sepenlong harut jong kepung thatlasken. Bandra akan nam bat keburam jong kejela ha kebedai bat kikam jong okai perthai. Kat kum kejing ong juu kani kata masa kan nek kum bakan dai sngi bat kan kring ya bun ginong jong okai perthai nak keleng kiri ke perthai kam tam ti start wat benia.
Yeah, so in Thatlasken area there will be a festival. As I said, we are calling it the Meghalayan Age Festival because I think we all know that that since this age that we're living in has been declared as Meghalayan era or the Meghalayan age, we have not been able to take advantage of this brand. So we have decided to brand this festival as the Meghalayan Age Festival. This will be a 9-day festival where we will be having programs and activities like hot air balloon about 20 hot air balloons will be here. These will be done by professionals who will be coming from outside. And this will go on for 9 days. And people can experience the hot air balloon. They can ride on it. Apart from the hot air balloon, there will be other activities where we are going to do, like, for example, the caving. So there are professionals who are coming in, local people who have been doing caving out here. They have mapped the locations and the areas. So there will be different caving festival and caving programs and activities that will be taking place. Obviously, we'll be having different programs within the area where this ballooning festival will take place, where music and food and other things, also activities will be there. And most importantly, this place will also have 50 luxury tents that will be set up. These are luxury tents which are 5-star tents which have got all the facilities that any 5-star hotel room or suite would have. And this will be set up by professionals again. And this again will be a level which another activity or a infrastructure that will raise the level of tourism luxury in the state of Meghalaya, which goes in line with what we have as a policy as a government, which is to ensure that we start to target high-end tourism out here. The Meghalaya Age Fest 2020 is going to be tentatively from 7th of March to 15th of March.
U Conrad Kongkal Sangma kanegasngi ula airu kajing pensyai kabedai bat gajing keno persya elau jong men u babat eka syuki menteri korbari kejela u James PK Sangma kabedai bagajing khayi tu u doyong bat kibe-kibe u menteri rangba ula kentat bagadon kajing khayi ba nya u doyong ha kejela bat ong bag sarkar keladap ban betha jana ki pulet bat ki bor district baken te lakam yakne ka kam ba Halor kajing dawa ban slot no ekatanat korbari no James PK Sangma. U Conrad Kongkal Sangma ula penkesan elo jong men ba men jong u kum u menteri korbari ula trai bhai kakam bat kani kalapau na kajing la jong u kum menteri ban tem ki huri hura bat ki jingkul mar ki bami akanong ba shlong bat kiwe.
No, I think people have their opinions. I don't have anything to say about people's opinions. But I think if you look at the overall situation in the state in law and order, I think the Home Department has done a good job. There were 2 incidents which we had a really big law and order problem in the state, especially in Shillong. And during those times, if you look at the whole situation, I'm not trying to compare with anything, but many places, locations, people lost their lives. But then if you look at the way things controlled and the way the situation was managed, not a single life was lost. And really the control situation was brought under control in many ways. So I think, Home Department is a department, you have flagged for everything. You are not able to do anything, that you're always at the firefighting end. So I think it's natural for this kind of things happening. And if there are issues like that, we'll discuss it in the cabinet and we'll discuss it among our colleagues. We'll find a solution and we'll resolve the issues.